Do you want to play Xbox Game Pass on your Steam Deck, but you don't know how to set it up? Well, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you how to get Xbox Game Pass up and running on your Steam Deck in just a few simple steps. So first, make sure that your Steam Deck is connected to Wi-Fi and updated to the latest software. You'll need this for the best experience. Next, open the Steam Deck's desktop mode and then go to the Steam store. Download the Microsoft Edge browser, since Xbox Cloud Gaming works through the web browser. And then once Edge is installed, open it and go to the Xbox Cloud Gaming website. Sign in with your Xbox Game Pass Ultimate account, okay? Game Pass Ultimate. And then you're gonna see a huge library of games ready to play. For a better experience, add Xbox Cloud Gaming to your Steam Deck's home screen. It makes it easier to access and feels like an app. So you can even connect your Xbox controller to the Steam Deck for smoother gameplay. All right? So now that you know what to do, leave me a like, comment, subscribe. Ciao.